Hello guys, welcome to Mobile Action App Store Code Hacking course. I'm so excited actually, and then I just want to be with you guys next 4 weeks and make everyone awesome code taker. Let's just start it. Week 1, App Store Optimization Basics. So I just want to give a little bit about background, me and the company and what we are doing this thing. As you guys read our blog post, we started Mobile Action in 2013 in June, almost like 17-18 months ago. And when we started this company as a one-stop shop service company, make everyone more visible in App Store, we got a lot of demand from small to big companies and enterprise, and we just try to scale our business, and we just try to to help everyone in the market, but it's not possible, and then we just build a product, and then after that, last month December 14, we made it a product for free, and we want to make every great product more visible in App Store. Personally, I'm a growth taker, and I learned this to myself. I started my first company when I was 17. Since being that time, last 10 years, I'm doing this thing for fun, and also we're making money, which is not bad, right? So Mobile Action is right now App Store intelligent insight and optimization tool, which is be easily can use by anyone who are about to pre-launch the companies or app, or who has an established product and try to be visible in App Store. So app discovery is one of the biggest problem right now. Pretty much 63% of apps are discovered through App Store search, which is big. And you should not need to take a note because we're gonna share all data with you guys. And more than 2 million apps in App Store. When we say App Store, pretty much is defined iOS and Google Play. And what I can tell, more than 5,000 apps come in every day, which is big numbers. And it's a two place people can find the app, pretty much App Store search and top charts. What is App Store optimization? They call some people say mobile SEO or App Store SEO. There, some of them say SEO for mobile. Some of them say ASO. This is a very short definition. Let's do it. Let's see that what does it mean in App Store optimization. App Store optimization is the process of optimizing the App Store fields to rank higher in search results. It's low-hanging fruit that can help the most, both increase in organic install, also help for the paid install, which is a great conversion rate between paid and unpaid downloads. We probably next week or another week we can be talk more about this paid installs. And third thing is that highest ranking user acquisition method currently in use among mobile developers, which is pretty much a lot of companies, they don't utilize or they don't know how to do it. That's pretty much, we got tons of questions. A lot of people, maybe more than 1,000 people already sign up this course to just learn what's App Store optimization. And this is still early days. According to venture bit inside, pretty much App Store optimization helping people to get more organic downloads, which is, let's just back in, which is 43% of the app discovery is still App Store optimization. And App Store optimization, which is ASO, includes several steps: research, optimize, track, and retain, which is pretty much main thing. Find the keyword potential, what type of user you have, optimize it, if fail it and move fast, fail again, do it. It takes a lot of time because App Store optimization, which is not an easy way to optimize and then you just forget it. You got to do it every single time when you are updating the app. And 24 different categories, which is a lot, and you got to do this thing, learn, just doing manually, or you can use our tool or other things to just make this thing as a one of your skill set. And a lot of things you got to do it, but I can share a lot of secret sauce and secret the weapons to make this process very easier than before. And this is just like the data you can find anywhere, and which is like the general information, like what is app store fields, app name, description, keywords, screenshot, and video preview. Those are the things I told you we're gonna give you guys. These this video, we're recording the video, and also this the slides you'll receive and everything for free, which is great, right? And I can deep dive in each of them, like what is 255 character for app name or 30 character for Google Play, how you can utilize each of them, and other things. Yeah, I want to jump in the dashboard right now, just show you first like the user experience, like to get the data and to teach every single things, and then make it happen. Okay, so let's go to dashboards. This is our mobile action dashboard. I don't know, are you guys familiar with the mobile action dashboard? This is like the product to make this process very easier. I want to do it first, like add a new app and how it works and how we can do it in each of the things. And today and this week we just gonna only focus on the keyword ranking, and after that we're gonna work on like different field in our dashboard. Okay, let's add a first app. So this is the place you can add a new app. So in iOS you can see that these are the countries we're tracking, and also we do cross-platform. This is the Google Play, you can choose. So if you can search the app you want to edit, let's say in the US, we gotta do let's just find a good one, Clash of Clans. Everyone likes the Clash of Clans, right? So this is Clash of Clans. If your app is new or it's not common after you're searching, you gotta put their app ID. App ID looks like in this, like this is the ID. You can find it in iTunes link, but the app's like a Clash of Clans popular app, you can definitely find it. We're crawling 1.3 million apps, pretty much every single app, so we have it. So when you add this app, this is the the place. We have a big data pool, which means that is we do know every single possibility is the keyword you're ranking. Instead of you searching the keyword term to find it, we're already finding for you, which is great because you might be even know which keyword you're ranking. So this is the part is like you can just submit it, or you can delete it and add it your own keyword. This data is pretty much is like the every single possibility you're already ranking. If you submit it, let's do submit and see what's going on. It's like taking time like to load this data and just show you like which keyword we're gonna rank. These are the keyword, like you can see that is the Clash of Clans they're ranking. So you can see that even they're ranking off like some keywords they're using different place of their app store, and these are each keywords they're ranking pretty much they're top 10 every single keyword, which is great, right? So what is this? I'm gonna share like what is all about, and then what's this color code, and what's this graph, and what's going on. Let's just start one by one. So the keywords you can we are defined every keyword has a search score, their unique identity, which means that is like the keyword you are looking for, the keyword has an identity, which is like if you have a great search score, it means like you have a better chance to be get found by user. Search score is an estimation of how many people are searching for specific keyword, and higher score means, that's what I try to say, your app can reach more people. So the top score is hundreds. Let's sort this thing 7 to 1. And the chance means shows the likelihood of this keyword be top 10 in your app's iPhone category. So which means the likelihood chance be what is the chance right now anyone can put this keyword right now to be getting top 10. 19%, pretty low. And iPad chance is 20%, which is same thing. And if you search games keyword, that's that much, result to 20,000 plus, and for iPad that much. And it's interesting that is Clash of Clans, they're number 15, which the games keyword, very general keyword, right? And they're increasing. And when you click each keyword, you can see that is top apps for that keyword, and you can see the graph, the historical data. And the Clans keyword. Oh, we're talking about Clash of Clans. The Clash of Clans keyword, they're number 1, obviously they are, and then you can see that is who are the other results, and 392 results, and they're number 1. So the Clans keyword, you can see that is they're number 1. This is the app, and these are the keywords. These are the app. The green thing is that they're using this keyword on their title. Number 4, 5, 6, they're using these things on their title. So that's the reason if we can, scroll this thing, it's same things. You can see that some keyword is color coded. This is title keyword match. This is a combination keyword. This is still combination keyword. It's keyword on the title. Let's just add the new keywords, something we just might be, let's add it war game, or something let's say battle. You can add it your own term too. You don't need to, to submit the same things we are showing you. For example, on the war game, you can see that is they're number 2, and Game of Wars, they're number 1. And the battle keywords, they're number 1, but it's going number 2, and Injustice is number 2. So that's something, and you can see that as, for example, number 6 battle, and these are the guys. They're ranking number 6, and they're green, which means that is they're using this keyword on their title. Interesting, right? So when you click this guy, you can see that is which keyword they're using, what's their category ranking, and everything. So if you start the track them, it's tracking right now. And if you go back again in App Store optimization and keyword tracking, you can see these two apps in the same graph, and you can see that is what's happening. For example, in battle keyword, you can see that, and also in here, it's Clash of Clans number 1 and Battle Nation is number 6. Let's add another keywords. Let's say the game, or games. I'm just curious what's happening. So the game keyword, you can see that is Clash of Clans is number 10 in that keyword, and Battle Nation is number 206. All you gotta do, just go to competitive analysis, and if you wanna learn some apps, what they rank in the same keyword, all you need to do is just track them. Okay, I'm adding Angry Birds. I wanna add it War of Game. These guys, and just see that as these 3. And you can click this App Store optimization still, and then just keyword tracking, and see that as the same graph. For example, game keyword, these are the 4 apps. First one is Clash of Clans mine, and 3 of them I added as a competitor. Clash of Clans is number 10 in the game keyword. Battle Nation 206, and Angry Birds number 23, and Game of War number 36. It's very interesting, right? And you can see the historical data, what's happening. This is iPhone ranking. If you click iPad, it's like different because some app doesn't have an iPad app. That's the reason that the app we saw that is an iPhone, they're not ranking in iPad because they don't have an iPad app. And also some chances you can see that is iPad has a better chance than iPhone because iPad has a less app than iPhone. That's the reason, because of the penetration of iPhone is more than iPad. That's the reason, like if you search battle keyword, you can see 8,000 plus result, but for iPad just 7,000 plus. That's what it is. So this is like pretty much for the first the week of the course. Be familiarized you guys to be how with the keyword rank tracking. Oh, one more thing is that if you own this app, let's say you're owning the Clash of Clans, and if you want to get automatically each keyword, you put it your app name or the keyword spot is the metadata you're putting iTunes Connect. All you need to do is integrate your iTunes. When you click this thing, you can put your the username and password. We automatically get the data. Then we get the automatically data, which means that is like the keyword will be show up to keyword the tab in here in this color, an orange color, which is the keyword you put in iTunes keyword. I'm gonna share a lot of things about keyword detector or other things, but just right now I just want to show you how you guys can use this thing to do the keyword research, especially the companies we edit or app as a competitor. When you click the competitor inside, you can see each of them. Battle Nation, for example. Let's go Game of War because it's a very popular game. And this is the the app, and these are the keyword they're ranking. You can see all this. These are keywords is the more popular keyword they're ranking, and especially next time when we start to talk about the visibility score, the estimate download numbers, scoring and everything, that will be the time we can deep dive and then try to the more understand and everything, especially in the keyword detector, which is another great tool. I just show you a little bit, just very the limited data. For example, Clash of Clans, this is the app, and War of Game, right? So these tool can helpful. You can see that is which keyword is their ranking. Obviously Game of War ranking more keyword than Clash of Clans. These are pretty much more than half of the keyword they're ranking, and they're sharing same. For example, Army top 3. You can do this keyword detector under the competitor analyst, but I'll share the next week for inside to get some keywords and very powerful keyword. The other guys, they might be ranking high or low. How'd you find it and other stuff? I'll share with you guys. Okay, that's it right now for the dashboard, and then I'll just share it the more things about it. One more thing, especially when you add any app, this is the dashboard page. You can see the each apps. It doesn't matter you own or not. You can see that is which keyword they added last update, each keyword they didn't change, and which keyword they remove. That's one of the things. Just one hint for the next week. I'll share with you guys secret how you're gonna use this data and make it your app is better visibility in App Store. That's what I told it the dashboard, how we can get the data and about the keyword. So the first week assignment, do not forget to sign up to dashboard. That's the reason the first week of the course is very light, very just overview about key dashboards, just only the keyword spot. And do not forget in the app and at least add it to competitor. And if you have an app, just integrate it to iTunes Connect, which is like, the easy way to get the most accurate data about your app and your competitor, because our machine learning and product, which is can automatically redefine actually your real competitor after you integrate your iTunes Connect. And during the watching this video or the week, all you gotta ask all your question just in the mobile action hashtag. Oh, I forgot to say in the beginning of this video, actually we have a surprise, one surprise. Okay, what do you think? What will be the surprise? Our surprise is that's it. So if you share this to it and then publish it, we'll automatically add you guys $25 ad credit at the end of the course. All you need to do, just share this to it and spread the word, and then get the $25 ad credit. Thank you so much, and I'm very excited to this course. Please let me know what we should be cover next following weeks. We already has it, the schedule for the next couple weeks, but is there any topic you guys want to be learn and just want to chat? Just please use the mobile action hashtag and let us know what we should need to talk. Thank you so much. Bye bye.